Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. So, today we are going to discuss the last part of this chapter of respiratory system. So, in our previous class, we have discussed about the vital capacity and the tidal volume. So, I think this portion you have understood well. So, now we will discuss the benefits of exercise on respiratory system. So, doing regular exercise is very important for our healthy body. So some exercise also there for our proper functioning of our respiratory system. So let's see. First is strong willpower. Regular exercise actually increase our willpower. Okay, so for example, pranayam, meditation, some specific exercise for our lungs that will increase the willpower of individuals. Okay, next is increase in the tidal air capacity. Okay, so what is tidal volume? So tidal air is actually the air that flows in and out of the lungs, okay, in each respiratory movement. So tidal volume means tidal air capacity is the air is the amount of air that flows in and out of the lungs in each respiratory movement. But the tidal air capacity is the amount of air that can be breathed in and breathed out over and above the tidal air by the deepest possible inspiration or expiration. That means in case of tidal volume we are giving the force in case of inspiration also and in case of expiration also. Okay, so it is estimated about 500 to 800 cc, and after doing this regular exercise it can be noted that the tidal air capacity can be increased. Okay, next is decrease in the rate of respiration. It is certain that when a beginner starts to exercise, this means his rate of respiration will increase. Okay, but when the same individual performs the exercise on daily basis or for a long time, so his or her rate of respiration at rest decreases in comparison to the earlier stage. Means doing regular exercise, the rate of respiration will decrease. Okay, next is the strengthen diaphragm and muscles. That doing the regular exercise it also strengthen our diaphragm and the muscles that are associated with our chest, because during during inspiration and expiration this chest muscle and the diaphragm, these are involved in this inspiration and expiration. So doing this regular exercise it will strengthen these muscles. Next, increases in aerobic endurance. Okay, so if the exercise is performed regularly and for a long period of time, it increases our aerobic excellence or aerobic endurance, and activity can be done for a long period of time without taking any rest. So those individuals who do not perform exercise, they have less excellence or less endurance. Okay, and they cannot continue exercise for a long duration, but who can make this exercise, who can do doing this exercise for a long period of time, so they can do this physical activity and this aerobic endurance easily, and hence it can be alluded that exercise increases aerobic endurance of an individual. Next point, that increase in size of lung and chest. So when a person exercise regularly, so he or she require more oxygen, right? So he inhales more amount of air during exercise. That means more amount of oxygen, and consequently his chest and the lungs, they are exercised, and after some period of time the size of the lungs and the chest increases means not much, means not increase in big size, but very small amount, but also it increases. Then faster recovery period. The recovery period after workouts or exercise become fast if regular exercise are performed. Okay, that individual will not be exhausted, that individual will not feel lethargic and all. So as a matter of fact, the efficiency of diffusion of the respiratory gases is improved by performing this kind of regular exercises. Okay, and the accumulation of lactic acid in our muscles also, which we are when we are doing regular means very hard work or very hard activity. Okay, so at that time there is accumulation of lactic acid in our muscles, so that we cannot perform properly. So if we are doing this exercise regularly, the accumulation of lactic acid also reduce, and hence the recovery rate also faster. So recovery take place at a faster rate to perform all these physical activities. Okay, so this chapter is completed. So here benefits of exercise on respiratory system. So here 4 or 5 points you have to learn, any 4 or 5 points.